Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes to keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today when I get home from work, my husband had made some ground turkey because he was making himself some tacos. So he left some ground turkey for me, and thinking to myself, okay, what can I do with this? Because obviously tacos is not on my menu. So I went to one of my favorite places, and that is YouTube. And what came up was something that I had never seen before, and that was a Big Mac salad. You guys, oh my goodness. So I was all in, because as you can see, I've got everything here in my kitchen that I need to make a Big Mac salad. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into making this, because I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. So I came across two recipes. One was from Keto Connect, and another one was Gimme Delicious. So this is kind of like a combination of the two. So let's start off with the sauce, because as you know, a Big Mac is all about that special sauce. So I'm going to start with some mayonnaise here, and these are rough measurements because I know the one particularly on Gimme Delicious, it is for 4 people. I'm a party of 1. So I have here about 1 heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise, about a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. I've got some unsweetened ketchup, and this is about 1/2 teaspoon. Then I've also got some white vinegar, and this is about 1 teaspoon. Okay. And now for the seasoning. Well, let me go ahead and mix this, and then I'll put the seasonings in. Oh yeah, you guys, this is looking very familiar. Look at that. Oh God. Did I say I was hungry? Okay. And for these seasonings, I have some garlic powder, just a little sprinkle of this, because I can always add to it. I can't take it away. So just a little of that, and I will taste it to make sure that it's seasoned to my taste. And then some paprika. And I know their recipes also call for some onion powder. I don't have any, so I'm going to make this work. Okay, go ahead and mix that. And you guys, this sauce is ready just that fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and set this aside so that we can put this salad together. So I have a bowl here, and I have some shredded lettuce. And now I'm just going to put my toppings on. So I've got this ground turkey. Got some diced onions. I've got some dill pickles. Oh my God, this is looking and smelling so good. Now, I didn't have any fresh tomatoes, and actually I really don't eat tomatoes that much, but I've got some picante sauce, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I've got some picante sauce. Put that right here to take the place of those tomatoes. And then I've got some shredded cheese. Guys, this is a thing of beauty. Wow. Okay, and before I put the sauce on, this is what this is looking like. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Okay, and now for the sauce. The special sauce, that is. You guys, I want all of this. Wow. That took all of, now mind you, the meat was already prepared, but this took all of just a couple minutes to put this together. And I have this phenomenal meal that I am going to dig into. Guys, do you see that? So good. So good. Okay, let me get a fork and I'm gonna dig in and I'm gonna let you guys know how much I like this. I'll be right back with you. Okay, everyone, I've got my fork. And I've got my appetite, so let's go ahead and get into this salad. Oh my God. And I have to tell you, it smells like a Big Mac. It really does. Oh my goodness. If you've not yet tried this and you like Big Macs, I'm telling you, you gotta get busy because this stuff is delicious. Oh my gosh. Everything about this is good. The flavor, the freshness, the ease that it took to make this, you guys. No wonder people have been raving about this. And so am I. I am joining the club. Oh yeah. Okay. And guys, I am going to sign off so I can really get into this salad just the way we used to when we were kids growing up, when we had that big old sandwich and we just stuff it in our mouths. I'm going to do this, but I'm going to do it off camera. So if you have tried this, or if you enjoyed this video and me making this, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and let us all know that if you did in fact try it, let everybody know just how delicious this is. And guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon with some more keto-friendly recipes. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon on I've Got Something to Say Too. Thanks again, you guys, and enjoy.